Lose the recording? Yes. Right, I thought my iPod was dead for good. The screen bit's cracked. Go in, there was no hard drive bit there. But when I was 6, I made like this fake phone thing. And guess what it used? This. And it had the connection on the end. The bit where the hard drive ribbon cable goes in. So I've used this glue. I've applied the first layer of adhesive on. And that was cracked in half, but see that one now. And I'll find some sort of solution for the screen. The screen came from my other iPod that has the same condition, where that bit's not there. And I'm just about to apply the second layer of adhesive. So I'll try to, as I can. So it's there. I'm gonna glue. So I just use one of my coin robots that I made. Oh no, I didn't just put that there. One of my coin robots. He's the one that throws stuff. And another video I'm gonna show you the pod which I made. So should be holding you now. Hold on. Goodbye. And lots of glue. But I don't want to let it drip down. It's just to be as solid as possible. Connections are okay. Lots of glue. Stretch that out. Most of the parts are from my iPod. Everything is except from the casing and the click wheel. Everything other than casing, circuit, and click wheel. That includes the back bit, but everything else is from my other iPod. I'm boring, you know, aren't I? I'm waiting for that to dry. I'll show you the pod I made. What I did was, while the glue was drying, to hold that on, so to make him hold it up, I put him there, and he was actually holding it up. So cool. By the way, you should get this glue, it's really awesome. This little guy, you may be wondering why his things. Oh, sorry. Because you may be wondering why that two-piece sticking out. That's because it's detachable. He throws it. But the button mechanism broke. I used to be able to press a button and it would do it. So I just got the hand. He had fights with this guy who's taller. What you gotta do is, you gotta have just 2p and 1p. 2p on the bottom, bit of glue, 1p, bit of glue, 2p, bit of glue, 1p, then you've got to put bit of glue, and you've got to do 2 1p's poking out like hands, and then 1p on the top. Then that's how you make it. I made this guy a little bit taller. And then like glue I use so strong you can pick the whole thing up by just that 1p. I threw one at a wall, he didn't even break. But then my friend wanted it, so I gave it to him. I made about 18 and I've only got about 3. may think it's a waste of money, but trust me, it's not. And a little cool, because if you're an adult and your child didn't have any toy soldiers and you had glue and coins, instead of getting toy soldiers, you could just make up all these, wait for them to dry, then you could play with them. But they're really solid. You squeeze it, and also you can put, which is really good, you can put discs in them. Like if you don't want to make a robot, you could just make a whole stack of them, but just put discs in them. But I'll stop the video and make another one when that glue's got it. So hopefully. By the way, I've got a website made with Wix, so I'll leave a link in the description. Thank you for watching. Tell me if it's gone on too long, but don't put hate comments because I'm not going to bother reading them. Or I might make a video of how stupid they are. Because I once got a hate comment in one of my videos saying, "You cannot spell, you stupid C-U-N," you know. They can spell that right, but they can't spell anything else. Because I've written my video really long sentence, I put one word wrong. But, and that was just like a typo. I didn't know how to spell word. And then they put that in the comments that they can't even spell themselves. So, well, thank you for watching. Bye, 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 bye.